Hello everyone, welcome to part 11 of converting $10 to 10k. For now we are at 6.6 for now, and we're gonna go crazy this session. I go with the sellers right here, okay, because we have clearly a downtrend, okay, this type of trend, and now we're closing somewhere at this trend line, okay, and then we have also market sequence just as the previous time. You can see two green candles and then red, two green candles, red, and again two green candles, red. It's not only that, we also have this, let's go one more time, we also have this gap up, okay, which is a positive sign for, you know, seller's entry. Let's see how this is gonna go. And if you look at this area, this is basically high, low, high, high, and then lower, low. And we have also a QM area, and it's actually combining with the QM, so that's pretty nice. We have also a break of overlapping level. That's another reason. There's also another reason that this is a morning star, and every single double candlestick or triple candlestick patterns, they will need a retracement if there's enough reason. So this was my first trade. Let's go to other pairs to see if we have enough. Okay. Make sure you join the Telegram channel only with the links in the description, because there's tons of scam channels going right now and they use similar IDs and all that stuff. Please don't trust so easy. All right, we have a support area every time the price jumps up from here. Let's see if we have a setup. We don't see any buy setup here yet. Let's say if we were breaking this one, that'd be beautiful to take this buy trade, but for now we don't have any setup here. Let's just look for opportunities. I want to go a high risk trade right here. Okay, I go with 200. This is called dynamic money management. When you feel like the trade is not safe, you go with the lower amounts. Okay, so the reason behind this trade, first of all, this is a QM that it's already worked out. Okay, it already worked. Okay, so now we can see a gap down here, which is in the buyer's favor. Okay, and if you look past, we have market sequence. That's only two reasons that I took this trade, which is a losing trade, and it's fine. Okay, I usually have a lot of reasons to take a trade, but this time I decided to take a high risk trade, which was a losing trade. All right, we have a support area. This is the third touch. It's been broken, and then we're expecting upward movement after this breakout. Okay, so that's why I'm waiting here for a breakout, and then I will go with the buyers. I will go with the buyers. We also are, oh no, I don't like this rejection, bro. Okay, I go with the buyers here. Okay, it's closing exactly on the support area. Previous candle, this previous candle is closed, and then this is closing right there, and this is a beautiful SNR for me to take this trade. But we have a gap up against the buyers, which is fine. This is uptrend too. This is clearly uptrend, and if you look at the past, you can see most of the time we only see two red candles. So there's a pattern here as well. Market sequence, we have some time, you know, three of them, but still fine. Let's see if they're gonna reject. If this was breaking, it still would be takeable. So it was a winning trade, but I want to go one more time with the buyers here. Go one more time with the buyers, because, you know, it's so rare to have three candles here. I'm talking about market sequence. So here, there was so, I mean, the probability of having one more red one was so low. Okay, let me see if we can, we don't have a trend line here. What about this one? No. All right, so the only reason here is uptrend and market sequence, you know, support area. That's it. This trade is about to be a winning trade. All right. Okay, I want to go with the buyers here. Go one more time. This is clearly uptrend, and then we have a beautiful supply area has become a demand area. So now we are at this demand area. We'll be looking for upward movement. Okay, and this is a reversal candle closing on strong demand area. I don't know why the sellers pushing it hard, because I'm expecting upward movement, and you can see the upward movement on the previous candle too, such a strong push, and now the buyers should show themselves. Yeah, it's also with the trend. The majority of the trades that I take are with the trend, because you know, if you look at this trade, and if you look, I don't know, recent 50 candles, you can see that clearly in uptrend we have more candles in green than red ones. So obviously there's higher chance, so we can use a trend as something to increase our winning ratio. Okay, that's why I usually take in the direction of the trend. Okay, find your setups and take them in the direction of the trend. This is the same setup. Strong supply area became demand. Okay, and this is a swing doji. Look at this one. Some people ask how we can go trade these kind of trends. This trend, in my opinion, is a blind trend, because I don't know. Let me just take a trade here with 100. Okay, I go with the sellers here, but you will see the result right now. I don't know what happens. Going with this kind of trend, it's just always losing trade for me, because it's, I mean, we can have winning trades for sure, but in most cases, for some reason, it's a losing trade. I don't know why. Because, you know, in my experience, I never trade this kind of trades blindly. This is a blind trade for me. And I don't suggest you, because we're looking for setups. We're looking for what we know what it is. Like this trade, it can have a, like for example, this one. Okay. This one was a good one because it's exactly closing on a round number, I believe. Yes, this is a round number. Okay, and this is exhaustion candle, and then the next candle have a gap down. But in this kind of trends, they usually keep going forever, or they just reverse the moment you're not expecting. So that's why I always avoid taking trade in this kind of markets. All right, I'm gonna stop right here. Thank you for watching, and peace out.